In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loan in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean liability account ready for tracking your loan balance accurately, which helps keep your books clear and your reports reliable. Start inside QuickBooks Online. From any screen, go to the settings icon, the small gear in the upper right. This icon opens the administrative tools you'll use to manage your company file. Click it to reveal your options, then choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's where every bank account, credit card, income line, expense category, and liability lives. Setting up a loan here ensures payments and balances appear in the right place on your balance sheet. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, create a new account. Look for the New button and click it. You're telling QuickBooks you want a dedicated place to store the loan's balance, separate from other debts. In the name field, type a clear, specific name for the loan. Something like loan payable, business loan, or loan payable lender works well. The key is to make it obvious what this account represents so you can recognize it instantly later. Consistent naming also helps if you have more than one loan. Next, open the account type dropdown. This choice determines where the account appears on your financial statements. Because a loan is money your business owes, it belongs under liabilities. Choosing the correct type is critical for accurate reporting and makes it easy to see what you still owe at a glance. Select long-term liabilities. This is the right fit for most loans that span more than 12 months, such as equipment financing or multi-year bank loans. Placing it here keeps your balance sheet organized and distinguishes longer debts from short-term obligations that come due within a year. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to confirm with your accountant which category best reflects your specific loan terms. But for most multi-year loans, long-term liabilities is the correct choice. After reviewing the name and account type, click Save. QuickBooks will add the new loan account to your Chart of Accounts, and you'll be ready to use it when you record loan proceeds, categorize payments, and track the remaining principal over time. That's it. You've created a dedicated loan account in QuickBooks, laying the groundwork for accurate loan tracking and clearer financial reports. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy. Your future self will thank you.